No witch will ever be complete without these crochet fingers, so I suppose we should learn how to make them. So with our DK yarn and 4mm hook, let's begin. I'm going to slip knot onto my hook, and like most tutorials I'm going to chain 2. So 1 and 2. Now into the second chain from hook I'm going to do 6 single crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now for the next row I'm going to do 2 single crochets into every stitch beneath so that we have a stitch count of 12. The first stitch is always a little bit tricky, but 1 and 2 into the first stitch, 3 and 4 into the second stitch, 5 and 6 into the third, 7 and 8 into the fourth, 9 and 10 into the fifth, 11 and 12 into the sixth. And now we're going to single crochet around these 12 stitches for 18 rows. Once you have finished your 18 rows, you can slip stitch to join and fasten off, and weave in this yarn tail. So now let's make the nails. With some red yarn, you're going to slip knot onto your hook, and then we're going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then into the second chain from hook I'm going to do 1 single crochet, and then I'm going to do 1 single crochet into the next 2 chains. So we've got a total of 3 single crochets. Now I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work, and I'm going to single crochet back across these 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1 and turn again, single crochet back across, chain 1 and turn, and single crochet back across again. Chain 1 and turn. Now we're going to single crochet the first 2 stitches together. So single crochet decrease for the first 2 stitches, and then 1 single crochet into the last stitch, chain 1 and turn, and then single crochet the last 2 stitches together. And then we can chain 1 and fasten off. And there we have our witch's nail. So we need to weave in the 2 ends that we have, and then we can attach it to our finger. So to attach the nail I'm going to use some super glue, but you can sew it on if you prefer. I just prefer the speed of glue. And then you can stick on your nail, press firmly, and then go and make another 4 of these so you have a full hand of witch's fingers. And there you have your gruesome witch's hand. So please leave a like or a comment below for my eternal gratitude, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.